Hello scholars. Today we are going to start with Civics chapter 7, that is social aspects of gender role. Social aspects of gender role basically means how the gender discrimination is done in a society. As we all know, our society comprises of both males and females. So in this manner, gender plays a very important role in the social and economic life of the people. The society in which we live defines the work which should be done by a male and a female, or in which manner their behavior should be. In this way, there are various differences among men and women. And in many of the societies, men and women are being treated in a different manner. So in this chapter, we are going to study about how males and females are treated in a different manner at different levels. So in reference to this, first of all, we are going to discuss about what is gender. Gender basically means the fact or concept of being male or female. Gender is something which is created by the society and not on the basis of the biological differences. It even relates with the values and stereotypes which are added with the life of males and females. It helps us to understand about the inequalities and relationships between men and women in the society. So now we are going to study about the social aspect of gender role. There are certain values or norms or rules in our society which decides about the work which should be done by males or females, or the type of behavior they should have in the family, in community, schools and public places. It even defines the way males and females should behave at these places. So now we are going to discuss about the different gender roles at different places. First of all, we are going to discuss about gender roles in a family. In many families, there are differences between boys and girls even before their birth. Now also there are many families who wants a son rather than a daughter. And these type of families are even engaged in female poeticides. Even the activities of the family member also brings differences in the lifestyle of boys and girls. For example, the type of toys which the boys used to play are different from the girls. In a family, boys are given cars to play, and on the other hand, girls are given dolls. These basic differences shows that what type of life they will have in future when they will grow up as adults. Since earlier times, there is a common tendency of the people that when the girls will grow up, they will marry, they will have children, they will run their own family and have a settled life. And on the other hand, as boys are the future of the family, so in this manner, boys are encouraged to study and are given the opportunity to do well in sports so that they can become physically and mentally strong. On the other hand, girls are brought up in a kind and gentle manner. They are being taught to be soft-hearted. Girls are encouraged to learn household works and to help their mothers in the daily course, so that in future even they can become good wives and good mothers. And on the other hand, boys are encouraged to do physical activities. As they have to run their family, they are being treated in a different manner. So these are some of the common gender roles which are visible all around in our society, which has affected the life of daughters a lot. But nowadays, these type of scenarios are changing. Now in many of the educated families, even the girls are given the opportunity to go for higher studies and to make their future bright. In this manner, as the people are educated, the condition of girls is also improving. Next, we are going to study about gender roles in a society or community. When we talk about this concept, the basic factor which affects the gender role in a society is stereotype. Stereotype is basically a fixed or a set image or idea about a particular person or about a particular community And these type of stereotypes results in the behavior of the people, which has affected the life of the common people a lot. Some of the general stereotypes which are prevalent in our society, which has led to discrimination among boys and girls are: girls are a burden on the family, girls are mentally weak, girls are not able to play outdoor games, girls are emotionally weak, girls are full of superstitions, boys are naughty and are physically and mentally strong. So these are some of the common stereotypes which are prevalent in our society, and it has affected our society a lot. But nowadays, as we can see, as the people are developing, our experiences in day-to-day life are leading to a change in all these stereotypes. Nowadays, we can find many contradictions to these stereotypes. For example, astronaut Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, they cannot be considered physically and mentally weak in any manner. In the same manner, our Iron Lady, that is Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bachendri Pal, these are many female personalities, those who are a contradiction to all the stereotypes which are prevalent in our society. As we are discussing about stereotype, so the main question which arises is, from where these stereotypes originate? It is our society that creates stereotypes. Since a young age, we go on hearing the same thing or same type of ideas of the people, and we grow up keeping in mind all those views and ideas, which results in creating stereotypes. When we continuously hear these stereotypes, we go on behaving in the same manner without even thinking. And we start believing that all the people should behave in the same manner as we are behaving. In this manner, we are creating a set image about a particular person or about a particular community, which is resulting in a stereotype. These type of ideas or stereotypes results in discrimination. Basically, discrimination means behaving in a particular manner with a particular person. Stereotype is something which is theoretical, and when that thought or idea is applied into a practical manner, that results in discrimination. It is basically unfair treatment of a person or a group on the basis of prejudice or stereotypes. For example, now also you can see in many of the families, girls are treated in a different manner. They are set into a fixed lifestyle and are forced to do particular type of work. They are even forced to live in certain conditions and to wear certain type of clothes. And even they don't have the freedom to express themselves. So these are some of the stereotypes which are resulting in discrimination. Stereotypes are basically the ideas of people, and when on the basis of these ideas people start behaving in the same manner, that is termed as discrimination or inequality. Stereotypes generally destroy peace, and it does not allow a region or a country to progress. Because as per a stereotype, the individual talent or qualities of a person are ignored. Stereotype stops us from looking at the individual talents or qualities of a person, and it even does not allow the overall growth of that person who is having different qualities. So in this manner we can say that stereotypes or prejudice, it affects us very badly, and it even put our country to the back foot. Next we are going to study about gender roles in school. As we all know that schools are a source of learning. All the children, whether a boy or a girl, gather at the same place to gain knowledge. Even they learn different type of qualities in the school, like cooperation, team spirit, discipline, and different type of rules and regulations. Many of the rules and regulations which are followed in a school are same for boys and girls. But still there are certain differences among boys and girls even in the schools. For example, the uniform which is worn by boys and girls. This is the basic discrimination or inequality among boys and girls. Other than this, even the ideology which is mentioned in the books often leads to gender discrimination. The examples which are in the book, they encourage gender discrimination. Even there are teachers too, those who encourage boys as compared to girls. Even in school level too, the girls are being encouraged to take different subjects as compared to boys. For example, girls are encouraged to take home science, and on the other hand, boys are encouraged to take science and technology. Girls are even not encouraged to be more active in the field of sports because it is thought that girls are not meant for sports. So these type of tendencies are creating discrimination in the role of a boy and a girl at school level. If we talk about our country India, many people in our country live in villages. So if we talk about a village atmosphere, the girls are not allowed to be educated. Girls are spending maximum time of their day in doing the household chores. They are even not allowed to do whatever they want because they are not considered as the earning member for the family. If the family faces any sort of crisis, education of girls is the first thing which is going to be affected due to that crisis. In this manner, especially in villages, we can see gender inequalities in different manner. The girls in villages are trained to do the household work. They are not allowed to get education. They are being encouraged to help their mothers and take care of their younger ones. Next, we are going to study about gender roles in public places. Since earlier times, a woman has been considered as a thing, and this belief of people has affected their attitude and behavior. Nowadays, you can see that women are facing many incidents which are related to violence against them, and these type of incidents are result of the mentality and thoughts of the people against the women. As ours is a male dominant society, so women is not having that much of equality and importance in the society as compared to males. So that is the main reason why women are being harassed at every place. Even you can find nowadays the incidents of eve teasing and molestation at public places and even sexual harassments at the workplace. In this manner, the individuality of a woman is being hindered, and the woman is considered as a material thing which does not have his own emotions or feelings. So in this manner, at public places, females are being affected by the activities of males at each and every step. Next, we are going to discuss about gender equality. Whatever we have studied till now, the different type of gender roles at different places, this shows that how much inequality prevails in our country and how females are treated in an unequal manner as compared to the males. But nowadays, if we see around, women are coming up and are moving ahead in each and every aspect of life. Nowadays, the availability of opportunity is being broadening in every field of life so that females can also achieve higher goals and can reach to their expectations. But still we can see gender inequality in our society. Now also there are many people and many families, those who are still struggling with these stereotypes and prejudices, which has led to the deteriorating condition of girls in their families. So in this manner, these are some of the social aspects of gender rules and the effect of social norms and values onto the life of males and females or boys and girls. So this was all about the chapter. Before winding up, let us discuss about the highlights of the chapter. Gender refers to the fact of being male or female, especially when considered with reference to social and cultural differences. A stereotype is a fixed image or idea of a particular type of person or thing. It is our society that creates stereotypes. There are certain social norms and values that determine roles expected from boys and girls in the family, community, school, and public places. Stereotypes destroy peace and hamper progress and development of a region or country. So this was all about the chapter. With this, we are going to wind up today's class. Good day for now. Stay home, stay safe.